Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Right next to me we have a beautiful 2001 Ford Lightning, original paint, one owner, 67,000 miles. Tires have about 80% tread. It's a really nice piece. We have a total of 5 of these in stock. We just posted up a video last week in regards to one that had full bolt-ons. This is the polar opposite. This is 100% stock. We're gonna take it for a test drive, do a complete walk around, and let you guys decide if this is the right truck for you. So I'd rate the quality of this, I'd easily an 8.5 out of 10. Paint is original, so you're gonna have some rock chips. You're gonna see some touch-up paint as well. So on the front fascia, 67,000 miles, you're gonna have some chips in the paint. Interior is extremely clean, still has the SVT headlights and taillights. So if you look inside the headlight, you're gonna see SVT. A lot of guys will replace those with the eBay ones. I hate that, keep it original. The silver grille looks great, along with the bottom one. Fog lights work as they should. As I said, the tires have about 80% tread and they're in great shape. Your Lightning badges are nice and there's no dents or dings throughout. Obviously you can't dent a fiberglass bed. Produces 380 horsepower and I believe 425 foot-pounds of torque. That's not to the wheels, it's to the motor. But with tasteful modifications, you can get that thing up there. The reason I bought this one, let me show you, was because it's never had a single thing inside the bed. There's not a scratch, there's not a ding. It's got the car cover right there. It's perfect. And it's never been painted. Got your Altezza style taillights, which are factory. Does have a tow package. I believe they all came with the tow package. A lot of guys will take them off. These are my favorite wheels for the Ford Lightning. So it's like a Terminator style wheel. I'm probably naming it the wrong thing, but it looks great. All the suspension looks good. So if you look at our gallery, you're gonna see underside shots of it. What I'm here for is to show you guys how it drives, what it looks like, and if there's any issues. And this truck is really nice. Interior is extremely clean, there's no rust. The bolster on the driver's side, which is common, is gonna have a little bit of wear. LMR does make a replacement seat back, so you can actually buy it and it's the same exact materials, make that thing look like new. Dash is extremely nice and you can see the window sticker on it. So it was new, it was 32,610. All the door cards are nice. You can see that it does have the black handles. This is all clean, it feels good. Just a nice truck. Let me open up the hood for you. Best part about this truck is the 5.4 liter supercharged V8 and the whine it makes when you're getting on it. If you put an air box on it, it's gonna sound a lot better, like a air filter. Hood struts work as they should, and this is all stock, all original. Still have your badging for SVT. Right here, it still has the EGR valve, brakes look great, all the fluid colors are good, and we did go through it to make sure everything was right. We did these sway bar end links on this one, so they were rattling a little bit. But everything looks good, all the plastic look nice. The hood looks beautiful. Let's take it for a spin. Let me start it up so you can hear it. There's no check engine lights. And it's quiet. Sounds really good, still has the original tips. And look inside the fender wells, it's just beautiful. Let's go for a ride. The AC is really cold. It's ice cold actually. Works in all functions. Radio works as it should. You have a passenger airbag, so if you have a kid, you could turn off the airbag. Seats are really nice, but if you look at the gallery, you're gonna see that the bolster does have some wear. Door cards are very nice. Dash is nice. You can put your garage door opener here and some glasses here. All your lights work. And the headliner is very nice. It's requiring me to put on my seatbelt. These are gonna go up in value tremendously. That's the reason I keep on buying them, and they are extremely fun and agile to drive. I've actually had one of these, a 2003, and I brought it to Sebring, and we were all stock, 130 miles an hour on the back straight of Sebring, and it felt planted. Really, really fun. It's actually on our YouTube. It was for Christmas too, so if you look up Santa's sleigh, you'll see that. We have a 99 Ford Lightning coming in too, same color, but it does have a set of aftermarket wheels. And then we have a 2001 silver one that has minor modifications that'll be coming in as well this week. Brakes feel good, they're not spongy. If you guys have any questions in regards to this specific truck, or if you want to finance it, you can give us a call, or you can fill out the tabs on our website, which is bullamotorsports.com. You've got financing options, which we could do 10 or 20% down. And we have the transport options. We could ship worldwide, open or enclosed carrier. I'd recommend enclosed for this beautiful truck. Suspension feels really good. Has Bilsteins, which are factory. You can hear the supercharger. Shift's nice. Very healthy. Great oil pressure. You got your boost gauge over here, and 66,933 for mileage. So just say 67,000 miles. And I want you guys to do your research. Look for ones that have original ownership history, original paint, and have mileage like this. And you tell me if they look as good as this thing. Oh, I love that sound. We're gonna turn left at the next light. We'll get some outside shots. If you guys have any questions about this ride, give us a call, 954-363-2261. We're going over bumps right now. It's super smooth. You can drive this every day. That's the best part about it. And you got tons of power. I'm not used to stock numbers in these bad boys. We'll turn left here and I'll get on it. No funny rattles, no sounds. And when you look at that bed, that makes you really realize that it was never used. You ready? That's the 60. Felt really good. The plane beat us this time. That's okay. We're gonna get some outside shots and let you guys decide if this is the right truck for you. Hope you guys enjoyed that test drive. Give us a call if you have any questions. Thanks again. Please subscribe.